Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Brave's Diva Shutout and I'm going to do metallic Sharpie nails. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and here is Brave's Diva Shutout. Excellent! It's a beautiful white cream. If you're in the market, if you're looking for one, Brave's Diva has some of the most amazing polishes ever. So I'm being very careful as usual, but I still managed to get some on me. See how I do, y'all? I get it all over the place. Even after all these years of painting my nails, I still make a mess. And sometimes it's worse than this. And I show it all. Show it, share it with everybody. So we know we're going to get a visit from Woody. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Yep, she's in there making a mess again. Now I've made a mess on the other side somehow. So there we go with our first coat. We're going to just do one coat today. And I'm going to top it with the Pro FX and get this to dry down so that we can do some playing. I bought these metallic Sharpies many months ago and just now getting around to doing this. And I have to tell you, I would like to do it more often. So I am using the Burt's Bees around my cuticles. I don't want to end up with a Sharpie mess all over my cuticles and sidewalls and fingers. So I'm just adding a little bit of that Cuticle Cream to help with cleanup. I've also added some of this super matte. I think it'll be easier to get the Sharpies on there with the matte. And I've got 4 metallic Sharpies, and I'm just going to go in and go all crazy with it and just do some little squiggles and lines and whatever, little swooshes. I'm using all 4 colors, just working on one nail at a time. And this did get kind of funky. I wasn't doing like a granite look. I just wanted Sharpies. And after I add this 91% alcohol, I'm kind of tapping the alcohol around with my brush. I've just got some alcohol sitting in a dampen dish on the side, and I like it because look, you go around the sides to kind of clean up and it's just coming up really nicely. I was worried about staining and stuff. So there's that first little layer, and then I'm going to go back in now that I've got them all done, and I'm just doing like little dots and filling in spots and stuff with all of the colors again. And it did kind of gray it out. I guess it was the silver, and it's kind of different looking. I don't even know how to describe this. It's not like granite. I wasn't going for that look, and it's not, I don't know. It's like some kind of crazy speckled egg or something. And here we go with the gold. So I had been really wanting to do this, and my Sharpies were sitting out on my desk, and I finally just bit the bullet and did it. So I am adding all those extra Sharpie dots, and now I'm going back in with more alcohol and just kind of smishing and tapping and kind of, you know, moving it around a little bit. And I know that this looks pretty crazy, but wait till you see what I do with it. I'm going to do something else to it. I'm doing my little bit of cleanup here, and this is just alcohol. I'm not doing nothing crazy. So I've got some of this gold foil from Beauty Big Bang, and I'm just tearing it apart with the dotting tool in Woody, breaking it off into little pieces. And you know what's funny is they look like little tiny pieces until you put them on your nail, and you're like, well, that was kind of a big chunk. But I'm trying to break it up little as I can. And this way just seemed better. I didn't want to break out no scissors and be trying to cut things tiny. I just figured just tearing it apart like this would work out just fine. It's been a long time since I played with any of this like gold foil. So there we go. Got them all ready. I'm going to be using the Pro FX sticky base. I am going to do this part one nail at a time. Apply the sticky base. You don't let it dry or anything. You just start going right on in. I am using Woody to pick up those little gold bits. And see that one all stuck together and making me crazy. cray cray. So there we go. And come on, get on there. And I didn't want to cover the nail totally up with this, but I sure did want some of that gold on there. And this seems to be working out pretty well. I'm liking the look of it. And I am tapping it down to make sure it lays flat and then head on. Oh, I'm going to have to apply some more of the sticky base. And you can use whatever sticky base you have. I know there's a lot of different brands out there now. Back in the day, you know, there wasn't too many of them, but now they're all over the place. Sorry I'm moving the camera, but I wanted to dial y'all in so you could see a little better. But now it's just looking kind of a little blurry. I apologize. Kind of adds to the effect, I guess. But we will not be blurry for long, I promise. There we go, just adding more all over the place. And I am going to do this to all of the nails. Once again, tapping it to make sure it's flat. And now that I've got them all done, I'm going to apply some of the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. And I'm going to seal all those little pretty gold flecks in. And call this one finished. I really like this one. It's a little unusual and I like it. Hi Woody, how you doing? He's a busy fella. So there we go. We've got our finished manicure and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this funky manicure of mine. There's my swatch photo. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.